Hello everyone, my name is Nancy and welcome to my YouTube channel My Nanosphere. So in this video I'm going to show you 3 easy DIY that you can make at home with घर में पड़ा हुआ थोड़ा बहुत सामान without going outside in this COVID and give to your mother on this Mother's Day. So let's get started.
For the first DIY, we need some plastic spoons, scissor, Fevicol, an empty bottle and acrylic color. First we need to cut these spoons like this. We need the upper curved part of the spoon. After cutting the spoons, now we need an empty bottle. I am using this, you can use any random bottle. Now we have to cut bottle into half and stick the spoons on it with the help of Fevicol or double-sided tape. I am using double-sided tape here. Now we will stick the spoon on this bottle. We have to keep repeating the process until the whole part gets covered. If your mother likes plant, she's surely gonna love this cute little planter. I'm sticking the spoons until the whole part is covered. We have to repeat the same process on the lower part of the bottle too. And tada! Our planter is ready. Now take any small plant from your garden and establish it in this planter. This will look like this. Our next DIY is a COVID inspired DIY. For this DIY we need a mask, a hook or chain or a neck piece. So I am using a chain neck piece here. First we need to attach the axe hook to this chain, like so. After attaching the hook on the both sides, we will attach this chain to the mask. These chain masks are so in trend nowadays. To make it look more pretty, take matching mask and neck piece if possible. And it's done. It is simplest yet useful gift that you can give to your mother or your loved ones. It will look like this after wearing. For our third DIY, we need a cardboard, pencil, scissors, scale, string or rope, colorful sheets and marker. First, we need to cut the cardboard in 3 rectangular shape of length 30 cm and width 7 cm. Now, we will take colorful sheets and cut it according to the measurement of rectangle, keeping 1 cm margin on both sides, like so. You can take any colorful sheet of your choice. I am using pink, blue and yellow here. Now we will cut one side of rectangle into triangular shape to make it look more attractive. After this, we will paste the sheet on this cardboard. So it should look like this. Now you can write anything on it. I'm writing love you ma. You can write any message you want to give your mother or your loved ones. After this, we will turn upside down and stick the string or rope with the help of sellotape. After attaching the rope to this cardboard, it will look like this. Now you can decorate it as per your choice and material available. I am keeping it simple yet pretty. Also remember to make a knot at the ends of the rope. And we are done. You can hang it on the wall or any door.
So I hope you liked my DIYs, and if you are not able to make it and अगर आपको ये थोड़ा difficult लग रहा है तो wait for my next video. I will upload it on Wednesday और Thursday, जिसमें मैं आपको छोटी छोटी सी इतनी प्यारी एकदम टेस्टी और 2 मिनट में तैयार होने वाली रेसिपीज बताऊंगी. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.